left-hand side, I have a girl, and her name is Queen. It's one of the what? Pieces.
You're supposed to.
And the second one to my left-hand side also, we have also Professor John.
You are so smart. I don't sense you know me. But I'm Jeremy.
Yeah. So he's a professor by profession. And also to my left-hand side, we have the one who is moving with the camera, trying to do us. And she's Lydia. Our lecturer here, because is the one who is to teach us the PowerPoint and also some other packages. And in a conclusion, I'd like to say you are all most welcome to this free computer training lessons, and you are all most welcome. Be free, ask questions, try to interact with us wherever you don't understand. Please, you are free to ask us, and we are free to offer our best knowledge to you so that you can be equipped with what? Computer knowledge, so that you can also excel and teach other people who might need your hand to help them.
Very good. Very nice.
Thank you.